Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today, I'm excited to review Naepca, a smart nail art machine that uses 3D printing technology to create salon-quality nails in just 15 seconds. Naepca's compact and portable design allows you to easily create your own nail art wherever and whenever you want, saving you time and money compared to going to a salon. Its appearance design is inspired by cartoons with a cute round shape and yellow color that satisfies every girl's heart. Using non-contact recognition technology, Naepca recognizes the shape and size of your nails without touching them, protecting them while creating a custom print of the optimum size. The app allows you to upload patterns and print them onto your nails, or choose from a wide range of pre-existing nail art styles. But Naepca doesn't stop there. It also has a built-in nail phototherapy machine with 42 UV/LED dual light source lamp beads, which quickly harden and cure gel or acrylic nail polish. It has 4 timing gear selections, and the time display is clear at a glance. Overall, Naepca is an innovative nail art machine that's perfect for anyone who loves to do their nails at home. Get yours now at the link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, IKnowGadgets, for more exciting reviews like this.